Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to diagnose erratic ping in competitive games. So for example, if you're playing Counter-Strike or Rocket League or Valorant and you see that the ping is spiking for short periods of time, and you want to know what's the cause, the easiest way to diagnose this issue is to use the command prompt. So go to the start menu, search CMD, press enter and type ping space 1.1.1.1 space minus t. Once you do that, your command prompt will send packets to the Cloudflare DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1. And if you see that there are spikes within this response, so it's like 20, 30, 20, 20, 25. So it's all within the same range, more or less. This means that your internet connection is fine, and the issue is with the game server itself, and therefore there is nothing you can really do. However, let's say that the ping is erratic and you are getting like huge spikes in the latency that is shown over here. So for example, if you see pings that are like this, then what you can do is start another command prompt window and you can ping the router of your internet provider. So 192.168.1.1. This is the IP for me. This can be slightly different for you. And then you can press enter. So if this is also timing out, or if this ping is also erratic, uh, that means that the issue is within your own internal network and not with your internet. However, if you see that the ping is consistent, like it is over here and over here, then there's nothing that you can do. That is it for today's tech tip. If this was useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, bye.